Good morning, Ram fam, and welcome to this week's edition of the Saturday Spark. Where we can give you a little training inspiration for your Saturday morning meeting. The 2025 Proactive Training Solutions Covideo contest, it's officially on. We've got over $5,000 in cash and prizes, including tickets to this year's Management by Fire. You pick the coast, Florida or California. It's all happening this fall. Entering's easy. Step 1, record that video. Step 2, post it on social. Step 3, I want you to use the hashtag Covideo so we can find it. And then step 4, submit it as many times as you want. Have fun. Now, what makes a great lead response video? That's what I want to talk about this morning, because the truth is it's tough to get a customer to answer the phone. We know it. We've talked about it. And when you're shooting off this cookie cutter stuff like every other dealer in your neighborhood, you're not getting a response. So we need to fix it. We need to fix it now. This is the type of market where you need to stand up and stand out. This isn't about reading features off your website or giving video brochures. This is about introducing yourself, creating urgency, setting the tone, and guiding the customer towards a single goal of getting them to respond to you. Hey, this is Mike from Proactive Toyota. I saw you were checking out the 2021 Tacoma. Great choice. We actually took another one in on trade recently. It's not even online yet. I'd love to show you both side by side and help you figure out which one fits best. I'm sure you have a lot of questions, but guess what? I have all the answers. But you got to get back to me quick, because these Tacomas, they're not going to sit around for too long. That's it. A clear hook, a real reason to visit, sell the sizzle, and bring real value. No, hey, if you have some questions, just call me back. I'm here. No, here's my contact information. No, I just want to introduce myself. No, when can you come down? None of this vague, passive nonsense. No one's got time for all that. You want a video that makes people feel like they're missing something if they don't respond, and they see the value in working with you over your competition. That's how you stand out. But nothing is better than when we read the lead and see that the customer's asked a question. That's what I call a laydown video. Just send a video answer to their question and then build value. My goal is to prepare you for your visit before you arrive, to help you save time and, of course, money, to make sure we make the best use of your time to get you in the right car at the right budget for you and your family. Stop thinking your video has to say everything. It doesn't. You need to utilize the greatest weapon you have, a salesperson's curiosity. Curiosity is your superpower that gets the customer to respond to you, and that is exactly the goal of your video. We're not selling cars, we're not selling appointments. The entire goal of the video is to leave enough curiosity and build that value in you and your dealer to get the customer to respond. It doesn't have to be the prettiest video. Hey, look at me, okay? That's not the one that wins. It's the one that gets the shopper to respond. So make some amazing videos. Stand up, stand out, get out there and crush it. As always, I'll see you next week.